Yes.
Leon.
Okay. Now start, Natasha. That I would like to. You are one of the two players, and look up that thing so that your face is properly. I want discipline. That when Natasha is speaking, that you are going to keep quiet. Okay. Yeah. Please tell me your name and then from where are you and what Beyblade you have got. Please tell me, Natasha.
I got Earth Leon, and I'm from India, but I live in America.
Okay, you show your blade so that everybody in all the audience can see it properly. Okay, and then that which school you are going and
School, I'm going to Navy Elementary.
yeah. Okay, go ahead.
That's about it.
Okay, so thanks, Natasha, and wish you good luck for your tournament. And now the camera is going on to Arjun. Arjun, you tell me something
Hi, I'm
about.
using Bonfire Blaze.
Mhm.
And my
Yeah,
name
you
is
just hold in your hand so that I can focus on that and the audience can see that.
Even I live in America.
Okay.
And even I go to Madrasi School of the Ocean.
Okay, so are you confident that you are going to win this tournament?
Yeah!
Yes, so now the round first starts and that I want you to be very disciplined and I sure that you expect no hanky-panky to go on.
Yeah.
And so I will count down 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay, so
Now,
orange one.
Fire Strike!
Yes, you can cheer your Beyblade, but don't touch, no touching. Not touching, nothing, and that I can see that the battle is very fierce, and let us see that who is that. I think the green one is losing energy. Natasha is losing energy fast. Oh, and the first round has almost gone to Arjun. Arjun, that you are winning the first round. So now that we are going on, now that you be ready to rip off the second one. And Natasha, I hope that you do well in the subsequent rounds. So now that we are, so now I will count down 3, 2, 1. Okay, and I think Arjun Beyblade seems to be little stronger and well balanced, and Natasha, I think so. So this time also Natasha is losing out to Arjun. And Arjun is the winner of the second. No touching the blade of the opponent. So now that we are going to play the third, because if Arjun wins the third, so then he is winning the tournament because that. Okay, so now, if at all that do you want to exchange that thing with Natasha? Okay. So I'm sorry that your opponent has not agreed to give you the Beyblade. So now this. Okay, so Arjun has been nice to give his blade to Natasha, and that here we go, the round number 3 and the countdown. Arjun, now I want discipline.
Okay,
Arjun, I want discipline because that the whole world is watching you guys. Okay, come on, now count down. 3. See, this is what I expected, that this is not professional.
I knew.
And okay, so now he's going to use a launcher or something in order to have some more energy to his blade.
Okay, ready?
Arjun, now 3, 2, and 1. There you go. And now that, as you can see, that what you were seeing. So this time it is very interesting to see that who is going to, because Arjun that he rips the blade very forcefully. And let us see that who is coming out a winner. Oh, so Arjun is winning even this time over. So Arjun winning the tournament with the score 3-0. And congratulations, Arjun. Are you going to go to India where the World Championship is going to be played? Okay, so thank you very much, both of you. And good luck to you for the future.